Aloha everyone, I'm Oribel Joy Divine, the new Lemurian. In the month of April, I have lined up for you 4 group events, and 3 of them are online. That means wherever you are in the world, you will be able to attend. Let's first take a look at the online event, The Wondrous, Your Alien Past Lives. Not only do you have many lifetimes on Earth, there is a very, very high chance that you have had other lifetimes on other planets in and outside this galaxy. Read all about what will be covered during our 2 hours together. I'll leave a link to the event page in the description box for this video. The next one up is Nature Communication. This is the first time I'm making it available online as a group event. You will learn how to hold a conversation with sentient beings on our land, in the oceans, and in the sky. And take with you your crystals and rocks to the lessons. There will be loads of exercises for you to practice telepathic communication with our friends in nature. Don't miss this amazing opportunity to ask anything you want from the plant, mineral, and animal kingdoms. We can learn so much from them. Our 3rd online event is pretty special and much needed at this time. It's an individual healing event in a group setting. I'll take you on journeys into your past lives to discover your life lessons, your limiting fear-based beliefs, and release energy blocks to your intuition and abundance. You clear these blocks through all lifetimes. You will learn practical everyday tools to further support you. And what is most important, I feel, is that you'll get to communicate with your own Akashic team comprising of your angels, spirit guides, and higher divine self. Receive the highest guidance for your evolution. This is another profound event that is not to be missed. And lastly, if you live in Singapore, you have the opportunity to attend a 2-day in-person workshop to learn how to access your own past lives and past lives of others. You will be guided in a structured format, plus you will have the opportunity to practice on your own. You will learn how to enter the Great Hall of Akash and perform the clearing protocol. If you are drawn to assist others through their past lives, then this workshop will help you do just that. You will receive a detailed instruction manual on the steps, so that after the workshop is over, you will have the ability to visit your past lives to discover more about your soul's journey and how you can best be in service to the planet. If you live outside Singapore, I have good news for you. I give private tutorials as well for this workshop, and we can do it online via Zoom. I will provide links to my website for all 4 events in the description box for this video. So there you have it, 4 amazing events coming up in April. My plan is to share a video each month about the events taking place the following month. I create these programs for the purpose of awakening, healing, and empowering you, and I am honored to guide you through your spiritual human journey during this transitional period. Until my next video, I wish you aloha blessings. Thank you. I love you. I'm Oribel Joy Divine, the new Lemurian.